What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're going to show you another product that you'll need for your YouTube channel. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Today we're looking at the LensGo LWM-318C. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, test it out as well, and see what it could do. You can use this for your smartphone or any cameras that you are using. So here we go. There you go. Boom! It's pretty good product. You know, if you're browsing around in the store and you see this, you get to see the product right inside, and you're like, oh, okay, yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Here, they have different options as well. You can put on your SLR camera and put it on the shoe mount, the smartphone as well. You can use it even for your DV camcorders if you are still using one of those. There's a lavalier, and then the lanyard, and then the output mic. There you go. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So it says here in the back that the lavalier has a battery life of 5 hours. There's a distance as well, which is a barrier free, which is 50 meters. Take this out right here. Boom, boom. There you go. Just take this out just like that. Boom. Nothing more in there. Toss that. So on the back, it comes with a bag. It's pretty good. Some literature right here. Boom. Put that on the side for now. Comes with a strap. Good. Cable. I think it's a TRRS. This is the mic right there. Boom. With a TRS cable. Micro USB charging cable. Boom. Some clips for your lapel parts right there. Boom. Good. Another micro USB cable to charge both of them. There is this as well where you can put it on your DSLR cameras right there. It's pretty good. TRS to TRS cable. It also comes with a fur ball just like that you could put on your lavalier mic. And then there's also this little metal mount right there. There you go. Now let's look at the mics. That's it. Let's put this on the side for now. There you go. That's the mic. So right here, we'll just take off some plastic. Right there. The back is magnetic. So you can see right there. Boom. It's very nice. Very strong magnets. Good. And there you go. Now I understand what this is for. This is to mount it. You can put this, you can stick this to anywhere and mount one of these onto that wall, or maybe a spot right here or something like that. That's pretty good. There you go. That's what they look like. Transmitter and receiver. Pretty small devices as well. You can fit it anywhere you want. That's pretty good. The clips as well in the back fits in a shoe mount on your DSLR camera. So one of the things to mention as well with these is the TX on the back is transmitter. It also has a mic up top right there and a hole for your mic jack. There you go. It's pretty good. And then a micro USB cable to charge it on the side. And that's it. A little button on the front as well. And a light. There you go. The receiver has an RX on the back. There you go. The top has a hole for a mic. Button over here as well. And a light. So on top here, you can use a bunch of accessories like the lapel, just like this. You can stick this on top like so, just like that, and then put this on to your chest just about there. The other thing that you can do as well is you can install one of these little dead rat on top of the transmitter like so, just like that, and then you can put that right there as well. And then the other thing as well that you can use this for, you can put a loop right there like so, putting this loop over the hole right there on the clip, and then you're good to go. So let me know what you think, if it's any good or not. Right now we have it on our chest right here, just about there. You can also adjust it on the back. I think the longest it could go is about right over there, so it's not so close to your body or to your face. Let me know what you think of the lavalier right now. This is straight out of the dead rat right here. There you go. Boom. Now let me know what you think about if I have it about chest area there, about the nipple area right there. It's pretty good. So the other thing that we can test as well is we can take this off. Let's put in the lapel there. The other thing that we can do is just maybe let's put this down. Of course, you can unclip this somewhere else as well, in your pocket, put it in your pocket, and then have this just sticking out because you don't want this. Maybe some people don't really want to use this part right here, but right now we're using the lapel. It's about this much area right here. I don't know how well that does. We can clip this right about here, let's say. There you go. Let me know what you think of the quality, if it's any good or not. And that's it. Check, check, check. So it's pretty good. But one of the best things about this lavalier is obviously it's very mobile. Like I said, 50 meters away from each other, you'll be able to grab your camera. You can leave your camera right there and you can walk around up to 50 meters and in and around without any blocking or anything like that. And you'll be able to still hear your voice. So let me test this out right now. Right now we're just gonna leave this in the studio and see how far we can go. I'm gonna go down the stairs. So right now we're on the bonus room. So we're gonna go a little bit far right here. Right now I'm on passing 2 bedrooms. Master bedroom. I'm gonna go down to the stairs right now. There you go. Let me know if the audio is still there. Boom. Main door. Looking the kitchen room to if the audio is still working. Now we're gonna go down stairs now. I'm gonna go to the dungeon, to the basement. Let's see how well we can, if it's still able to catch our voice. There you go, all the way down to the basement. Yep. So here we are. We just got out of the basement, up to the main floor again. Now we're going up the stairs to the second floor. This house is a 2-story house, 2 sets of stairs. Normal, typical 2-story house. So there you go. Let me know if you could still hear me. And now we're back to the studio. Boom. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on Lensco LWM-318B. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!